Okay, a couple people were asking about the Miata and why it's not running, and I think we have figured it out. There are a lot of different things that I looked at first. Walk around to the back here. First likely suspect here was what I thought was a bad fuel pump. It's very easy to get to. It's pretty much right behind the driver's side seat here. So got a replacement fuel pump, Denso, same as the one that was in there. It was very easy to do. Also replaced the fuel filter, which is always a good thing to do at the same time. And just put a note on here that fuel pump's been replaced. And then of course when I got in to start it, nothing. Couldn't even hear the fuel pump turn on when I turned the key to on without actually, cranking it over, which it will do. It will crank over, but never engages. So started doing some reading, some likely suspects under the hood here. Right back here, this is a cam position sensor. This is one thing that they talked about a great deal, about a $250, $300 part. However, ignition wires, these are all actually pretty new, and then the coil packs are underneath here. Not getting spark to any of the cylinders when you test for spark. So then I thought coils, but it's very rare to have all the coils go at once. And then it's hard to see, but way down below here on the engine block down there quite a ways is also a crank position sensor, and all told all these parts are good $400. So at any rate, brother-in-law Ken came over and helped me, and we did some testing on the computer. The computer is also very easy to get to, right behind the passenger seat, and I noticed a very acrid smell, acidic kind of corrosive smell coming from it. And so we pulled the cover off, and this is what we found. Not sure if you can see that there. Pretty much fried. On the back of the circuit board you can see the fried here and the scorch mark. So the likely culprit, the computer. So finally caved in, spent a little bit more than I wanted to, but found the exact same computer. Same part number, everything as the other one. See if we're going to put that in and see how it goes. So let you know how it works soon.